Introducing the sleek and sophisticated 2024 Audi A3 Black Edition. With only 12,000 miles on the clock, this white saloon boasts a powerful 2-litre diesel engine and automatic transmission for a smooth ride. Packed with comfort and safety features like ambient lighting, collision avoidance braking, and lane departure warning, you'll feel confident on the road. The luxurious interior includes cup holders and wireless charging for added convenience. With a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and service to manufacturer specification, this Audi A3 is ready to impress. Visit hillsford.co.uk or call us now to make this beauty yours today.